subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Samsung is all set to launch its new flagship 5G phones under Galaxy S21 series. And before the launch, the upcoming Galaxy S21 smartphone renders were surfaced online by Steve Hammerstoffer through a blogging platform called Voice. The leak render shows the complete design of the upcoming smartphone, and according to leaks, the Galaxy S21 will support a flat screen with a hole punch at the top center for selfie camera. The rear panel of the phone will feature a vertically aligned triple camera setup at the top left corner, including an LED flash. The volume rockers along with the power button is visible on the right edge, while at the bottom it has a speaker grill, microphone and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone is set to measure at 151.7 by 71.2 by 7.9 mm. Talking about the specifications, according to leaks by Android Police, the Galaxy S21 will feature a 6.2-inch Full HD Plus LTPS display with 120Hz refresh rate. Under the hood, the phone will come powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 875 chipset or Exynos 2100 chipset for some other regions. As per the camera, the Galaxy S21 will support a triple camera setup on the rear that will include a 12 megapixel primary camera along with the another 12 megapixel ultra wide angle lens plus 64 megapixel telephoto lens. For selfies, it is expected to have a 12 megapixel camera under the hole punch at the top center. On the software front, the handset will likely run on latest Android 11 out of the box with One UI 3.1 skin on top. The device is said to come equipped by a 4000 mAh battery that will support at least 25 watts fast charging. Now talking about the pricing and release date. The Samsung Galaxy S21 is expected to price around $800. And it is rumored to release anytime soon in January next year. So as of now, that's all we know about the Samsung Galaxy S21 smartphone, and we'll come to know more detail about the phone in the coming days. Till then, stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.